She's been spending the morning in Venice, not a bad place to be, doing some really important work. Look at that.
Yes, picking up. You see so much plastic, trash, paper, all littering the beaches. But it's not only beaches, it's everyone's community. We need to keep them clean. And that's the whole basis of National Cleanup Day on Saturday, everyone doing their part. But talking about beaches, take a look at this monster. This is the machine that largely keeps a lot of LA County beaches clean. We're getting an up-close look this morning on how it works. It's no excuse to leave your litter behind. Let me bring in Nicole here who could tell us real quickly about how this machine works, because this is fascinating.
Yeah, basically a tractor tows this machine along the beach, and there's a shovel blade underneath, and it picks up about 10 inches below the surface, taking out all the plastic, the trash, the cigarette butts, bringing it up the screen so the clean sand can drop down, and all the trash goes into the hopper to be disposed of.
I love it. All right, well, we need to be this machine, all of us together on Saturday on National Cleanup Day throughout every community. The co-founders here, these gentlemen, created this day. You just want everyone to do their part, right, Steve and Bill?
Absolutely. It's very simple to do. All you need to do is go out, pick up around in your neighborhood and community, use our litter getters. Use, barbecue tongs, gloves, whatever needs to be done.
All right.
Hi there. And the whole thing is, what would the world be like if everyone picked up just one piece of litter? I mean, it'd be a nicer place, wouldn't it?
Absolutely. I challenge you not just to one piece, but pick up 5 pieces or be overachieving on Saturday. You do it. You got this. Let's go. National Cleanup Day on Saturday. Do your part. Let's make the world clean. Let's send it back to you.
I like overachievers. That's why I like you, Sandra.
I second that. Not to